Welcome guys to this tutorial. Here I will be talking about how you can temporarily disable your Instagram account. So I will show you both on the desktop version as well as the mobile version, and it's quite easy to do. So the first thing you have to do is to access the settings. So either go to profile and then the wheel, or simply press the icon here and then press settings, and you can see this screen here. Go to edit profile, which is the section that opens by default, and then press temporarily disable my account. This will say that you can disable your account instead of deleting. This means your account will be hidden until you reactivate it by logging back in. You can only disable your account once a week. So press one of the reasons, type the password and disable the account. As it's said here, you can reactivate it by logging back in. If we go to the mobile view, this will work in the same way. So go to the profile, settings, edit profile, and then you can see at the very bottom this option to temporarily disable your account, which is exactly the same screen you saw previously on the desktop version as well. So I hope that this was useful for you guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. And see you guys in the next tutorial.